Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where an affiliate promotes a product or service and earns a commission for each sale made as a result of their promotion. It is a cost-effective and efficient way for businesses to reach new customers and increase their sales, while affiliates can earn money through commissions for promoting products they believe in. In affiliate marketing, businesses provide affiliates with unique affiliate links or codes that track their sales. When an affiliate promotes a product through their unique link, any sales made through that link are tracked back to the affiliate and they receive a commission on the sale. One of the advantages of affiliate marketing is that it allows businesses to reach new customers without having to invest a lot of money in advertising. Instead, businesses pay affiliates only for the sales they generate. This means that businesses only pay for results, making affiliate marketing a cost-effective way to reach new customers. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that it allows affiliates to earn money by promoting products they believe in. Affiliates can choose to promote products that align with their personal interests or expertise, making affiliate marketing a great way for people to earn money doing what they love. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it is important to choose the right products to promote and to find the right audience to promote them to. Affiliates should research the products they are promoting to ensure they are high quality and in demand, and they should target their promotions to the right audience to increase the chances of making sales. It is also important for affiliates to have a strong online presence, including a website, blog, or social media presence, to promote products effectively. Having a website or blog allows affiliates to provide more information about the products they are promoting and to share their personal experiences with the products. Social media allows affiliates to reach a large audience and connect with potential customers in a more personal way. For businesses, it is important to have a strong affiliate program to attract affiliates and to ensure they are motivated to promote your products. A strong affiliate program should provide affiliates with a variety of tools to promote your products, including unique affiliate links, banners, and promotional materials. It should also offer attractive commission rates and support to help affiliates succeed. There are various strategies you can use to succeed in affiliate marketing. Here are some examples. Choose the right products. It's important to choose products that align with your niche and audience's interests. You'll have better success promoting products that you genuinely believe in and that your audience is likely to be interested in. Build trust with your audience. One of the key factors in successful affiliate marketing is building trust with your audience. You can do this by providing value through high-quality content, being transparent about your affiliate partnerships, and only promoting products you truly believe in. Leverage multiple channels. You can promote your affiliate products through a variety of channels such as social media, email marketing, blog posts, and YouTube videos. Consider which channels are most effective for reaching your target audience and focus on those. Use product reviews. Writing in-depth product reviews can be an effective way to promote affiliate products. Be honest about the product's strengths and weaknesses and provide valuable information that will help your audience make an informed buying decision. Offer bonuses. Consider offering bonuses or discounts to your audience when they purchase a product through your affiliate link. This can help incentivize them to make a purchase and increase your conversion rates. Monitor and optimize your campaigns. Regularly track your affiliate marketing campaigns to see which products and channels are performing best. Use this data to optimize your strategy and focus on what's working best. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a cost-effective and efficient way for businesses to reach new customers and increase their sales while providing affiliates with an opportunity to earn money by promoting products they believe in. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it is important to choose the right products, target the right audience, have a strong online presence, and have a strong affiliate program in place.